Good morning, brothers and sisters in Christ. I'll be reading to you today Genesis 8:3-4. And the waters receded continuously from the earth. At the end of the 105th day, the waters decreased. Then the ark rested in the 7th month, on the 17th day of the month, on the mountains of Ararat. I hope you have a blessed day today. I hope that you really do enjoy your day. The Lord is always with you. Just accept Him into your heart, John 3:16, and please do subscribe so this can get shared all over the world.